COVID-19 in South Africa. I've got a statement in front of me from the Minister of Health. I want to read it to you verbatim. It says, the Minister of Health wishes to advise all South Africans that a second case of COVID-19 has now been confirmed in South Africa. The 39-year-old lady who is from Gauteng is a direct contact to the first case from KwaZulu-Natal. She was part of the group of 10 that had traveled to Italy, the statement says. It reads on, the public must be notified that we have information and know the whereabouts of all the other 10 people who were part of the group that had traveled to Italy. All those who came back to South Africa are currently being tested. We are now awaiting their test results to come out. Since being traced, they have remained, this is important, since they've been traced, they have remained in isolation to avoid any further contact with third parties. Now, the statement goes on, the second patient who has now tested positive for COVID-19 will now be immediately admitted to a public health facility in Gauteng that government has identified as one of the hospitals that are ready to receive COVID-19 positive patients. The statement goes on to say, we are now following all protocols that we have already publicly announced to the public in dealing with this case, and we will keep the public fully informed on all relevant developments. There's more developments. We also wish to notify the public that our embassy has advised us that a 39-year-old male South African who works in Daegu, South Korea, has also tested positive for COVID-19. He was due to return to South Africa and has since remained in South Korea. We are now following up with the South Korean authorities, firstly to obtain formal confirmation of this case and also the details of where our citizen is being treated. The statement concludes that we continue to call for calm. The statement says we continue to call for calm and cooperation from the public and the media during this period, and we also request that the privacy of the patient, the affected individuals and families are actually respected. That's what the statement says. This is according to Dr. Zweli Mkhize, the Minister of Health. Confirmation. This is the confirmation of a second case of COVID-19 in South Africa. We're trying to get the Minister of Health, Dr. Zweli Mkhize, to come on the program and give us more information. If you just joined us, breaking news on the Agenda to Watch. A 39-year-old lady who is from Gauteng is a direct contact of the first case from KwaZulu-Natal. Remember, the man that arrived from Italy via Dubai into KwaZulu-Natal. She is part of that group of 10 people that traveled to Italy. And the public, he says, the statement says, must be notified that we have information and know the whereabouts of all the 10 people who were part of that group that had traveled to Italy. Breaking news on the Agenda to Watch. A quick break while we try to get the Minister of Health onto the program to get you more details on this. Stay with us.